Good morning, students. Last class we have studied about types of chart, parts of a chart, inserting a chart, editing and formatting a chart in PowerPoint. Today we are going to learn to switch row or column data, to change the chart layout and to change chart style. Okay, now let us recall the topics, the types of chart and how to format it. There are different types of charts in PowerPoint such as line chart, pie chart, bar chart, surface chart, column chart, area chart, etc. Now the column charts. The column charts are used for comparing information and represent data using vertical bars. Whereas the line chart connects data point with the line and are used to show trends. Pie charts are used to compare proportions. Each value is represented as a slice of a pie. We also have a bar chart. The bar chart represents data using horizontal bar rather than the vertical bar. And finally, area chart, which is similar to line chart. The area between the lines are filled with colors. Already we have studied inserting a chart. That means creating a chart. How will you create a chart? Click on Insert tab. Click on Chart. Then Chart Type dialog box will appear. You select any one of the chart. Any one of the desired chart. Suppose if we select column chart, you can select. I am selecting column chart. Click on OK. Now the chart will appear on the screen with the data. PowerPoint opens a spreadsheet. Look at the screen. Now here the rows and columns, we can see the data. So if we want to include any data or if we want to decrease anything, that also can be decreased or increased. So if we want to insert any row or any column, that also can be included. Now, or if you don't want to include anything, already you have saved in the Excel file, that also can be taken here. How it is means, just look at the screen. Down, that is a worksheet, the Excel sheet. You can click on the Excel, that is a spreadsheet. Just click on the spreadsheet. Here you can see the data. You can select copy and bring it to the area where it is, that is a spreadsheet. It is in the PowerPoint presentation. You can select it and right click paste. Otherwise you can use the Control V to paste. Control C for copy and Control V for paste. Then close the spreadsheet. We have increased the rows and columns. You can see the difference of the chart, and also we can change the title of the chart. Any title you can change, and if you want to edit, click on the edit data group in the design tab. The spreadsheet contains the data will open, make the desired changes in the data. The changes will be reflected in the chart. Okay, next we are going to see switch row and column data. Suppose you may want to change the way a chart group your data. For example, if we want to change the horizontal axis to vertical axis to appear as horizontal axis, click on the switch row / column group. Then automatically the data will be changed. Horizontal to vertical, vertical to horizontal. Can you make out? Yes. Now the data is rearranged. Suppose if we want to change the type of the chart, click on the design tab, click on change chart type. You can see the different types of charts. You can select the chart. Now I am selecting line chart. Click OK. Then the column chart is changed into line chart. Now we can also modify the predefined chart layout, including chart title, legend and data labels. To change the chart layout, click on the design tab. Click on the quick layout command in the design tab. The design tab will appear on the right side of the ribbon. Click on the quick layout command. Select the desired layout from the menu. Points should also be placed there. the chart will be updated and will reflect the new layout. And also we can change the chart style. Already we have studied. Next, in the right side of the chart, you can see the three buttons. One is to quickly add chart elements, to change the chart style, to filter the chart data. To quickly add chart elements, instead of selecting from the design tab, you can select the plus sign, you can add the elements. We can also change the type of the chart. Just click on the design tab, then select the change chart type. The dialog box appears. You can select the different types of chart. Now I select pie chart. Now pie chart appear on the screen. Okay, in the right side of the pie chart, you can see the three buttons. What are the three buttons? Already I said. First one is to quickly add chart elements. Second one is to change the chart style. Third one is to filter the chart data. The first one is to quickly add chart element. If you want to add any chart elements, you can make use of this plus button. Okay, any title, legend or data labels, anything you want to change, you can make use of this. Second one is to change the chart style. Instead of selecting from the design tab chart style group, you can use this shortcut key. The third shortcut button is used to filter the chart data. To filter a chart data, we can use this button. If we want to edit or rearrange or add any data in your spreadsheet, we can use this button. We can also change the color of the chart. To change the color of the chart, we have to select the color from the color palette. If you want to select same color, you can select the same color and apply to the chart. Or different colors also you can select. We can also insert an objects in MS PowerPoint, MS Excel chart and worksheet. We should use Alt plus N plus J. This is the shortcut key to insert an object. Okay, Alt plus N plus J. I hope you have understood this lesson thoroughly. Thank you.